Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cheap golf balls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Callaway 50 Mix Near Mint Quadruple A used golf balls. These are near mint recycled golf balls that will ease the pain of playing golf. The golf balls will have slightly noticeable imperfections, which compare to how a new ball would appear after 1 to 3 holes, and this means they will have some scuff marks. Despite having slight discoloration and some cosmetic blemishes, these do not affect the flight characteristics of these golf balls. The golf balls might have player markings or team and corporate logos. However, the near mint bulk mixture includes the top Callaway models, with the exact percentages being arbitrary. These are very popular golf balls among the pros, and this mix offers you the chance to hit a variety of these balls as a discounted price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nike Mix Quadruple A golf balls. If you are a fan of Nike golf equipment, more so the balls, then you should get yourself this mix of golf balls. This is an quadruple A quality set of 50 golf balls with the bulk count, including but not limited to models such as Juice, Mojo, Karma, Crush, NDX, Ignite, Velocity, and Tour Control. Sure enough, the golf balls might have slightly noticeable imperfections, which means that they will have some scuff marks. However, the slight discolorations and cosmetic blemishes do not affect the flight characteristics of these golf balls. These golf balls are perfect for a golfer that wants high-quality balls in bulk for an excellent price. The mix offers you the best value and represents a great way to use many of Nike's popular models at a great price without having to compromise on the quality of your golf game. At number 3, we have the TaylorMade TP5X Prior Generation golf balls. These golf balls give you great and efficient performance when you hit the greens. They have 5 layers with varying firmness, which makes them unique and places the quality of performance on the player's skills, the other equipment, and the condition of the course. The golf balls offer exceptional shock control as well as feeling for the short game, such as putting. It is these qualities that make their golf balls seem like pro tour balls. Also, the exterior core has a dual spin technology that offers you more power on its flight, without compromising on the control. These are golf balls that have the most advanced 5-layer technology. However, this makes them pricier than the other golf balls on the list. But considering the quality, then the expenditure will be well advised. At number 2, we have the Callaway Warbird golf balls. The Callaway brand is not known for providing the market with inexpensive equipment, but this does not mean you cannot get a bargain from the brand, including these golf balls. These are value golf balls that come in a pack of a dozen and offer you some of the most innovative technology. They have the Hex Aerodynamics technology that allows for greater launches, speed, and distance. With these balls, you get the extra yard because of a large high-energy inner core. Also, the ball has a 2-piece construction that is covered by ionomer, which makes for a soft-feel ball with great control for every shot. These golf balls give you excellent long-distance performance. They are a soft long-distance golf ball option that you should try out. And finally at number 1, we have the Nitro Ultimate Distance Golf Ball. This is one of the most affordable golf balls, and as the title suggests, it is designed to get you the maximum distance. They come with aerodynamic technology as well as symmetrical dimples on the surface of the golf ball, which offer you great lifting while also reducing the amount of drag on the ball. This is what gets you faster travel and longer distances. Apart from a well-designed exterior, the golf ball also comes with a reactive interior design that enhances energy use. As a result, the golf ball reacts to the instant it is hit with the club head. The golf ball offers you an aerodynamic exterior, which, when combined with a reactive interior design, offers the best quality and great performances at a cheap price. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.